So I am very happy this evening for the team from Ilowal, Habedin, and then Rock Telecom for the project that brought for us in Adyel Primary School. We are very appreciative for the project. And our children, our students, will learn many things out of this project, even the community around. Even me myself, I will also have more knowledge than the way what I have.
At the moment, we are digging a pit for casting our tower.
We have our engineers here, we have our community members, we have our children around who are going to benefit from this.
Right now the team is preparing concrete that's going to be used to pour into the tower, and it's exciting to see this unfold from clear ground up to seeing now where we are, and I can't wait for us to hand over the dome once it's completed this Friday.
The Innovate's monitoring tool helps us to first know how much power is being generated by the system and how much power is being consumed.
Our school, at the same time, the nursery section will benefit a lot from here by getting proper learning.
I'd like to thank the Hello World for having chosen Adyel P7. We use this hub to educate our children who are at school here.